Hello student, welcome back to BEHS Sumati Academy. This is your science teacher Rasmi Dikshit. So we are learning the chapter 10, that is soil erosion and conservation. So in the live class I have explained you what is soil erosion and what is soil conservation. And we are learning the different methods to conserve the soil from the soil erosion. Now, first method which we can apply to the plain fields, okay, plain fields for preventing the soil erosion. So first, by growing the grass, means if we cover the plain field with the grass or some other small plants, so fast growing plants. So what happened? I told you that uh, the grass roots is a fibrous roots, okay, and they grow very fastly. So what happened when we covered the land with the grass? So the grass roots just hold the soil, and that will prevent the washing away the topsoil with the wind or with the water. So that means and the grass plants which is also known as a runners, because they grow fastly, and by growing the grass we can prevent the soil erosion, which I already explained you in the live class. Now, next, by growing more plants and trees to save the topsoil, trees and small plants can be planted, because the roots of the plants and trees hold the soil tightly, and they can easily avoid soil erosion because they have hold the soil tightly. So water and wind can't wash away or carried away the soil with them. So planting a large number of trees is known as afforestation. Now listen, two term we have learned, that is deforestation. What is a deforestation? Cutting of trees, which is a factor of soil erosion. Now afforestation means planting of larger number of tree which help to prevent the soil erosion, means which is a factor of soil conservation. Deforestation is related to soil erosion, and afforestation is related to soil conservation. Now next we have, that is, in forest and grasslands. Now what we do in forest and grasslands? So the thing first, in forest we can stop the deforestation, so that is also very good for the soil, and by which we can prevent the soil erosion. And by avoiding overgrazing, I already explained you what is overgrazing. So with that, if we avoid the overgrazing, so we can conserve the soil. Next we have in crop fields or agriculture land. Means what we have to do to conserve the soil in the crop field and agriculture land. So soil erosion can be prevented by making high boundaries of mud in the form of bunds. Means we can make the high boundaries of mud or soil in the form of bunds, which I have explained in live class. And big farms can be divided into small field areas with the boundaries. If boundaries is there, if the high boundaries is there, so if there will be, if heavy rain or heavy wind is there, so topsoil will be remain in the field area itself. It cannot be carried away with the water to the another place. So in this way we can conserve the soil. Now next we have in hill slopes, mean in the hilly areas. So hilly areas you can see in the picture. You can see the picture, that is terrace farming in the form of stairs. So hilly areas are slanting, means slanting, you all know the slanting line. So hilly areas in this form, so the rainwater flows very rapidly, unlike in plains. Means if the in slanting line, if the rain is there, so that the flow is very fast. As the water flows, it carries the topsoil with it. So to avoid this wastage, the hilly area can be made into steps or terraces. You can see in the picture. So we can convert the hilly area into the steps or the terraces, like a this slow down the flow of water. So what happened with the terraces stops whenever water is flowing from the top of the hill, so it will be slowly slow down with the, because of the steps is there. So in this way we can prevent the soil erosion. And plantation on such steps which drastically reduce the erosion of the soil. If slope is there, step is there. And one more thing we can do, if we plant the trees, or if we plant the crop on such steps, so what happened, the roots of these plants will tightly hold the soil, and drastically we can save the soil, or we can prevent the soil erosion. This method of farming which prevents soil erosion is called as terrace farming. Now one more word we have understood, terrace farming. So uh, uh, the method of farming in which we just um, divide the hill into so many steps or terraces which prevent the soil erosion is known as terrace farming. Now next we have on fields near rivers. Means how we can prevent the soil erosion in the fields which is near the river. Dams, we all know the dams and embankments are useful in checking soil erosion. During heavy rains and floods, the rivers overflow and wash the topsoil from the nearby fields and make them infertile for the next crop. Embankments are usually built on the bank of the river with stones or rocks. Means in the picture you can see the embankments. We have mostly have seen the stones ball near the in the side of the river, in the bank of the river, which is known as the embankments, which is very useful whenever there is a high flow of water in the river or flood is there. So this stones wall can stop the water, and this will be stop or prevent the washing up of the topsoil with the water. Means in this way we can prevent the soil erosion. Now dam is also helpful in collecting flood water instead of wasting them or letting them to go into the field. So what happened, what is the use of dam just collect the water of the floods. So in place of letting the water into the fields or wasting the water into fields which will be cause the soil erosion, dam just collect the water in itself whatever, and whenever farmers need the water for the farming, they can use this water. And also with this collected water in the dams, we can generate the electricity. So in this way we can save the soil erosion, or we can prevent the soil erosion. Now we have two things. Means soil erosion and conservation is very opposite to each other. How we can understood soil erosion as a table and soil conservation as the angel. How? Means now we will factors of, because soil, why we say soil erosion as a table, because it make the soil infertile, and soil conservation, it's protect the soil from the soil erosion. That's why it is known as an angel. Now what are the factor of soil erosion? Like strong wind, floods, flowing water, overgrazing, deforestation and mining. These are the factor of soil erosion. Now the method of soil conservation, how we can prevent the soil erosion? By growing grass or fast growing plants, avoid overgrazing, making burns, terrace farming, embankment, constructing dam and afforestation. These are the method by which we can conserve our soil. Now this chapter is completed. I will share you the question answers and the exercise which you have to complete. Till just read the chapter and just take care of it.